In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting. For beginners, I will show you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, so let's get started. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting commission, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. After you finish, so just come to this page and scroll down and go to community over here and click on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, so you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It's really super easy, as you can see. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for this website. Search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. Choose Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. After you finish, go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, like this. So now I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for Amazon KDP book publishing. Okay, search for this keyword, Amazon KDP book publishing. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, so you can earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, this one looks really good. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This service is for $25. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link like this, and you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Okay, and click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed. Okay, and click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, you need to go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. Okay, so scroll down and you should see over here about this gig, and you have here his picture. Click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, double click and save image. Okay, like this, and we name it Amazon Kindle like this, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account, okay, like this. And here you go, scroll down, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this, okay, and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down, so you should see about this gig, click over here on more, and this is his description, okay. So what you will do, I will copy these keywords, okay, like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here, okay. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here, like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board, okay. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want, okay. I will choose this one, I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one that I name that's name Fiverr affiliate. So scroll down, click on tags, okay, and here you need to add keywords, okay. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should find related tags, okay, those related tags. So copy those keywords, okay, and use those keywords here on Pinterest like this. I will copy this one, Pinterest, and I will put this one here. I will go back to the seller profile page, copy this one, Amazon Kindle, and I will go and I will put this one here. After you finish, click on publish, okay? And here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can start affiliate marketing with $0 and without investing any money in paid ads, just using free traffic from Pinterest. So why I choose Pinterest? Let me show you. Did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest searching for products, services, different products. There is so much traffic from Pinterest, okay? So if you start, you can grow your Pinterest account and you can start getting commission if you stay consistent, okay? Because you need to stay consistent. So if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote between just 1 and 2 affiliate links per day, okay. If you promote a lot of affiliate links per day with new account, your account will get banned, okay. So you need to warm your account step by step. After few weeks, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day. You can start promoting up to 5-7 links per day, okay. And don't use just Pinterest. Check my other videos. I show you how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, YouTube Short, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. And of course, for free. Okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.